Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust Keystone on Samsung Freestyle. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings, and you can do it by going through your home screen, then to the left, and on the bottom you can find the settings. Inside, by default, there should be auto Keystone settings right here, but in case you don't see them, move all the way to the right so we can find the settings. Select all settings, scroll down to general and privacy, enter projector settings, and there's a Keystone. Right here you'll be able to adjust it by clicking on those arrows. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.